How to make a bookmark with a cross charm. Now you get to choose what beads you would like to put on your string. Always start with a small silver bead. Then you can do whatever pattern you would like. You need to do a minimum of 15 beads and a maximum of 25. The last bead that you put on should be a small silver bead. Now it's time to attach the cross charm to the end of your bookmark. You will need a crimp bead, which is a smaller silver bead, and you will put that crimp bead on the end of your string. Then you will go through the charm and then go back only through the crimp bead. Then you will pull on the string and make sure that there is no room left between the beads and the charm. I'm showing you how to attach the charm one more time because I know it can be a little bit difficult. Now you are going to use the pliers to squeeze the crimp bead. Once you have done that, you are going to take the cutting pliers and you are going to cut off the remaining string. If you don't have cutting pliers, you can also use scissors for this. And now you are done your bookmark.